What's happening, guys? I'm outside, snowing. All these people, they're in their coats, they're like, dude, it's cold. And I'm like, it's not cold. Look at this, look at how tough I am. You know how tough I am? Check this. Extreme snow! King of the hill! If anyone tries to get to the top of my hill, I'm gonna push them right off! No one saw it, we're good. Extreme snowball! Extreme snowball!
I'm gonna beat you down.
I'm totally taking that guy, you know? Like, just, my arms are starting to get, you know, a little cold. Not like cold, but like, sort of chilly, because I, you know, oh gosh.